Do you want to call forth more strength and transformative power into your life? Then the Shiva Linga Mudra is your mudra. In the next video taken from the Mudra Mastery Course, I will introduce to you the benefits of this powerful mudra and how to apply it for optimal strength and optimal power. Enjoy! Welcome to the second mudra, the Shiva Linga Mudra. We're placing the left hand into the lap and we put the right hand on top with the fire element, the thumb out. The Shiva Linga Mudra is a representation of Shiva Lingam, the statue of Shiva, even though Lingam has some other connotations as well, which I'll dive into a little bit. Essentially, Shiva, as we know, is the great destroyer, the Adi Yogi, the first yogi, and a great representation of the potential and the possibility to practice tapasya, to practice discipline, and to show up for this higher truth. The Shiva statue, or this position, is said to bury within itself the seeds of Brahman, of the cosmic egg and the unlimited potential that can be harnessed from our determination, our discipline, and our commitment to the Shiva, to the Lord Shiva. This energy symbol is also rising up, so the thumb is moving up, representing the uprising of the fire energy, of the Agni, of the determination, whilst bringing the other fingers in, so balancing the impact of the other elements and rising up into the thumb, rising up into the fire. Now, this gesture is also said to symbolize the Trimurti again and the state of balance, of truth that we find through the creation, sustenance, and destruction. So it's essentially an invitation to embody higher truth and to practice when you feel like you need vision, determination, and discipline to put your truest vision out into the world, whatever that may be. So either it's intentional, it's a shift in your mind, or it's a shift in your daily life. This practice for about 15 minutes a day will give you clarity and will give you commitment to step into your highest truth and to take actions that align with it.